Good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Marcel Mabili, 40 years old, and I have 1 kids. I'm a single mother, and I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters, and I have an experience in Singapore. And they have 3 kids, 2 adults and 1 couple elderly.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
2, I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters.
And what is your religion?
Aglipay.
Aglipayan. Okay. How old your child?
12.
And who will look for him if you're going to Hong Kong?
My family, my brother.
Your family allows you to go abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you work in Singapore for how long?
5 years, ma'am.
So how many members of the family did you serve here?
7, ma'am.
They are 7. And how old the kids when you start working with them?
1 and 2 years old, ma'am, and going to pregnant.
So it means they only have 2 child when you start working with your employer in Singapore. Okay, and your employer got pregnant.
Yes, ma'am.
So you look for that 3 kids.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the newborn baby, you look alone for him or your
With the amo, ma'am.
so your employer's parent?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have your own room here,
With the kids, ma'am. With
the 2 kids. So you share room with them.
Yes, ma'am.
What else did you do as a helper in the house?
I do cooking, washing the clothes, cleaning the house, and ironing, ma'am.
And you go to market?
With amo, ma'am.
So you go with the elderly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how was your relationship with you and your employer before?
Just like a family, ma'am, and friends, ma'am.
Also, the elderly, you have a good
Yes.
relationship with them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And why you decided to go home in the Philippines?
I decided to take care of my mother, ma'am, because that time got sick, ma'am, and I also want to go have babies, ma'am.
So you get pregnant when you went home in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you arrive in Hong Kong, you're still single, no child?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a live-in partner right now?
No, ma'am.
Boyfriend?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And why you decided to work in Hong Kong now?
Because I want the salary high, ma'am, and the government is good, ma'am.
So the reason you want to work in Hong Kong is, what's the reason?
The reason,
What's the reason you want to work in Hong Kong instead of working here in the Philippines instead?
because I want to give my family financial, ma'am.
Okay. So how about your child? For your child?
Also my child.
Okay. And are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am. Only cat, ma'am.
So you're afraid of only cat?
Yes, ma'am.
But dog, it's okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long my service, ma'am, as long my service is good.
So as long your employer wants
As
you,
long my employer wants me, ma'am.
you will work with them.
We will work
You have day off before in Singapore?
once a month only.
Your future employer in Hong Kong will offer you only twice a month off and the 2 other off will pay you. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And are you willing also to accept job order? There's a grandparents staying in the house.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
How about caring with a newborn baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Please, ma'am, hire me to as your helper, ma'am, to do the work and taking care of your own children, ma'am, as my own. Thank you, ma'am.
So will you promise to do your duties as a
Yes, ma'am.
helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much, HL2109.